Alright guys, this is Brandon back. Sorry, I accidentally just uploaded the wrong video to this channel. I uploaded one of my car videos from my car channel onto here. And before I realized it, I thought I uploaded the daily mining video. So I went ahead and deleted the daily mining video. And now I don't have one for today. And I'm not going to re-record it because it is 2:48 in the morning. So I just thought I would come up here and show y'all what I have going on the one of the rigs. This is the newer one. It's got the 1080 here. It's got another 1080 that I just got in, and I put a 1050 Ti in there just as a filler slot. But I got both 1080s up and running good. I did put another 500 watt power supply in there, so I got a 700 and a 500. That way I just have some more room to grow if I get another 1080, but currently right now I still have the 1052 gigs. But I have two 1080s on here and a 1050 Ti, and it's doing right under $7 a day. So that's probably $3 a piece on the 1080s, and then a little under $1 on the 1050. It looks like the 1080s are doing about 530, 518, and then that 186 is the 1050 Ti. So this is the overclocks for the 1080s: 75 power, 180 core, 200 memory. And on the 1050 Ti, I did 100 core, 100 memory, 95 on the power, and I just set my fans to 60% on everything, and everything's staying really cool. I mean, these 1080s stay, look, 52 degrees Celsius. I mean, they stay ridiculously cool. I'm going to go downstairs now and remote desktop connect into the 1050s to show you all what they're making. So let's go. Oh, by the way, I just picked up some of these like cheap plastic shelving units. And I'm going to be putting all my extra boxes in there. I still have a bunch of them downstairs I have to carry up here. But it's always a good idea to hold on to your boxes in case of warranty, defect, or if you just want to sell them off afterwards. It's easier to sell something off with a pristine new box than just, you know, kicking around in an old dusty one. And look, I got a kitty right there, so can't beat that. But yeah. Alright, I just connected to the 1050 or 1060 6GB system, and I have 6 of them in here, and they're doing right at $8.57 a day total. So actually, let's do some math on that. We'll say 8 point. We'll round up a little bit. Divided by 6. They're doing $1.40 a day roughly. So not great on these cards, but I don't know why, because Bitcoin's actually up. So I thought our pay rates would go up too, but they've kind of just leveled off. I don't know what that's about. So let's jump over to the 1050 2 gig system. Alright, and if we take a look at this one, I have 5 GTX 1050 2 gigs in here. We're doing at $4.12 a day. Comes out to 82 cents per card. 770 sols altogether, and 39420, so 39,000 satoshis across 5 graphics cards. Actually, we can do the quick math on that right now. 39,420 divided by 5. So each card's earning about almost 8,000 satoshis a day. I think that's right. I think I did my math right. Anyway, not great on those either. So those are a little bit down too. Well, let's check on the last system, which is actually right here. I took one of the 1050 Ti's out of here, and I also took the 1030 out of here. And I can't get the system to run stable. It's running right now, but if I try to remote desktop connect, it'll crash. I think it's just done. This is an old system. I literally built this thing maybe 8 years ago for my cousin, and then he gave it back to me just like, I don't know, just this last year, because he was done with it. So I gutted it, and I've been using it to mine. It's got 2 PCI 8 slots, like the old style, got one PCI Express and one Express times 16. So I was running a splitter on there, and this thing's been chugging away for like, you know, the last 3 months, but I think it's gave up the ghost. So I'm probably just going to, I don't know, I can use the power supply, that hard drive, I can definitely use all these wires. Got to put these graphics cards back to work. That's the 750 and that's a 1050 Ti. I'm going to be basically building another rig, and I think I'm going to put the 1050 Ti's on the rig that is going to have the AMD 8320 processor, and do a little CPU mining with the GPU. So yeah, not a whole lot going on today. I'm sorry y'all didn't get a formal daily mining update video. It's just I hate to have to record another one when I already went through and did it all. But like, see, yeah, I got boxes for graphics cards all over the place. Let's see here. It's super messy in here. But I'm gonna get all my boxes upstairs. Get all these graphics cards upstairs. I have some more shoe racks on the way. I ordered some, and I just went back and looked, and guys, we are driving the price up on everything. They were $7.99, now they're $9.99. Is it just a coincidence, or did y'all buy like all of them? So I guess no more. Well, they're still cheap. They're only $2 more, but it's just crazy. I mean, the price is going up on everything. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Comment down below if you like these kind of like vlog style, just raw, uncut. Basically, I'm splicing these all together on my phone, and I'm gonna upload these on my phone while I'm in bed because I'm just dead to the world tired. But if you don't like these, also let me know. Comment down below if you want me to do just a formal sitting in front of the computer. I'd like to do probably a mix of both. That's what I would like to do, but you know, it's all about helping you guys out. So if you prefer it the other way, just let me know. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Adios.